In this video, I will show you how to sign in as a Shein affiliate. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, becoming a Shein affiliate and signing into your affiliate account can offer a lot of advantages for individuals like you and businesses looking to monetize their online presence or promote Shein's products. So, you will have the opportunity to earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links or promotional efforts. This can be a source of passive income. And mind you, if you have like a website, blog, or social media following, or other online platforms, you can monetize your online presence by promoting Shein's products and earning commissions on referred sales. So how do we become a Shein affiliate? First is you're gonna log into your Shein account. So hover here to Shein.com. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to create one. All right. So you can open Shein.com on the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Shein.com is okay to Brave, Safari, Firefox, and Opera. And once you've created your account, log in using your credentials, and we go down here on how to become an affiliate. So here's an affiliate program section on Shein.com. Achieve a win-win situation where your customers by joining the affiliate program, right? So how it works, affiliate promotes Shein on social platforms. You're gonna have potential customer clicks on the post, customer orders at Shein, and affiliate receives commissions, right? So what are your benefits? Basically, 10 to 20% commissions on each referred sale, extra monthly cash bonus by sharing promotions, and new monthly profitable activities, updating banners and coupons and newsletters when new activity and promotions update, and a 30-day cookie duration. And your customers benefit. Of course, over 2 million items in stock with 500 new arrivals every day, affordable prices, 7 to 24 customer service and live chat service, and no questions asked, return and refund, right? So, all you gotta do is sign up, right? You will be asked to put your first and last name, your country, your email address, and create a strong password. All right. So Shein's affiliate program typically offers advanced tracking system to ensure that you receive proper credit for sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Okay. And also, I just wanted to point out that signing in as a Shein affiliate can be a profitable and flexible way to earn income by promoting fashionable products to your audience. It allows you to tap into the fashion and lifestyle market and monetize your online presence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.